Give me a man, bro. He's here for it.
No, it's good. It's good. Good for him. It's like not for this winning.
That's one. This better.
We'll see. They have like double the points.
Not really. Like 10% plus.
First five contact smart, Bulacan, number 6, 44, Kirin, 19, San Cabusan. Number 0, Jostan, number 8, Giovanni Canino. For Lumina Taylor, it's number 12, Macintosh, number 3, 33, Mendoza. Number 1 is Ralph Ivas, and number 2, Earl Mosquire.
Good.
First possession, it's Lumina Taylor. Raya from deep, short, rebound secured by Bulacan. Sean Cabuso to 10. Sean, left wide open for 3. Yes, sir. 3-pointer is good for Sean Cabuso. 3-0 the score. Tax Smart with the first bucket of the game. Mendoza to Raya. Raya Manson, 3 seconds in the key, 2 long inside the painted area. Turnover ball right for Lumina Taylor. Go white team according to the kids. Bulacan to Cabusa once again from deep. This time no good. Mendoza secures the board. Mendoza under dress. Pass deflected, intercepted by time. So Canino left in lane is good. 5-0 in favor of Taxman Cafe. Taylor running the show for Lumina Taylor. Pass to Ibas. Ibas for 3, no good. Rebound Kirin. Forward pass to 10 for the transition layup. 7-0 run for Taxman Cafe. Taylor, 1-1 against Canino. Taylor, butterfly, Bulacan. Better defense but better offense. Good defense by Taylor. Cacadelo, good rebound. Mendoza. Mendoza from deep, no good rebound Canino. Time, attacking the defense of Mosquire. Layup is good. 2-pointers good for Jostan, next sub right. Mendoza to Mosquire. Mosquire from deep, in and out, rebound. Secured by Kirin. Kirin to Tan, pass inside to Canino, back to Tan. Tan, shot, no good, rebound. Taylor to Ibas. Ibas back to Taylor. Drops it off to Mendoza, what a time! Beautiful pass by Taylor to Mendoza. Canillo, Bulacan now with the ball to Sean. Cabusa, guarded by Mosquire. To Tan, wide open three, yes sir!
Next, Roy.
Lumina Taylor scoring at a 3-point deficit. Macintosh to Ibas. To Mendoza. Mendoza bounce pass to Taylor. Taylor in trouble. To Mosquire. Corner three. In and out. Last touch. Oh sorry. Rebound by Cabusa. Sean. Leaning jumper. Money. 2-pointers good for Sean Cabusa. Time out! Lumina Care. Lumina Care go for this one. 6 minutes and 7 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 53 in the first quarter. Lumina Care down by 10. The 2-0 record is in jeopardy. Ryan, pass intended for Kamigi, is too strong by Taylor. Turnover for Lumina Care. Santo Manillo, quick trigger. No good. Rebound, Mendoza. Mendoza. No good. Rebound, Mendoza. Putback still no good. Rebound, Kabusao. Kabusao, closer. No good. Rebound, Kabusao. Foul ball. Hands foul number 3. Ryan Kamigi. First personal foul. First team foul on Lumina Care. First free throw is good for Kabusao. One out of two for Kabusao, rebound Mendoza. Now on 11-point lead for Taxmart. Taylor for the Gray, no good. Rebound. Last touch on Kabusao, so fresh 14 for Lumina Care. Taylor left wide open. 10. 3 points of his good for Irvin Taylor. Cutting the lead to 8. Time to Kabusao. Kabusao will answer short. Rebound into the hands of Mendoza. Mendoza stop and pop. No good. Rebound Ryan. Kamigi to Mendoza. Mendoza drives. No good. Rebound Kabusao. Pass deflected. But possession will remain with Taxmart offense. Subrep. Santos and Valerio for Canillo and Chiri. 2 minutes and 13 in the first quarter. Valerio fires the trigger, no good. Rebound, this is Bolaon. Bolaon putback, no good. Mendoza secures the ball. Taylor, he's an opening, he brings Jay short. Rebound, Bolaon. Bam, stop and pops from deep, no good. Rebound, Valerio. Kabusao. Strong drive to the basket, throws it up, no good. Rebound into the hands of 10. Oh, it's now with Mendoza. Mendoza, post to post, layup is short. Rebound Bolaon. Santos from deep, no good. 10 saves it to Kabusao. Great hustle from Joshua. Time, pass, deflected. Possession remains. 7 in the shot clock for Taxmart. 7 to shoot. Chan, 1-on-1 against Ibas. To Valerio. Valerio, jumper. No good, rebound. It's with Bolaon. Bolaon to Chan. 10 shots, shot is good for Justin. Kamigi. Fearless drive. No good, rebound Bolaon. Kabusao to Chan. Chan! Stolen by Mendoza. Mendoza post to post. Layup is good. Carlo Mendoza. Last 10 seconds. Last 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Turnover, stolen by Mendoza. 2 seconds. Mendoza from deep. No good. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score. 17 for Taxmart Cafe and 9 for Lumina.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we are the Make God Move. The new basketball league. Bringing you anticipated Lumina Care Champions Series 2026 to one
Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Taxmart Cafe. Okay, second quarter. Bulaon. Bulaon drives. There's a foul. Foul is on number 33. Carlo Mendoza, first personal foul, first team foul on Lumina Care. Bulaon will shoot for free throws to Taxmart. First free throw is good for Bulaon. Bulaon holds glass. One out of two for Bulaon. Rebound chased down by Kamidi. Ibas with the ball. Ibas to Kamidi. Kamidi floater uses the window. 2-pointer is good for Ryan Kamidi. Lead is 7 for Taxmart. Kerin kicks it out to JM. JM Santos from deep. In and out. Put back by Bulaon. No good. Last touch of Taxmart. Possession Lumina Care. Ibas to Vega. To Taylor. Taylor from deep. Short. Rebound touch by Ibas to Mendoza. Taylor to Ibas. Ibas. Taylor to Mendoza. There's a foul underneath the basket. Pushing foul on number 6. Bulaon. First personal foul, first team foul. Mendoza will go to the charity stripe for 2 free throws. First free throw, in and out, no good in the first round. One out of 2 for Carlo Mendoza. The lead is cut down to 6, 18-12. Valerio stuck and pops from deep, no good rebound Mendoza. Mendoza forward pass to Taylor, transition 3. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Erwin Taylor. Cutting the lead down to 3. Bulaon to Santos. Santos to Canillo. Valerio. Valerio to Bulaon. 6 on the shot clock. Bulaon drives. 3 seconds inside the key. Turnover for Taxmart. Timeout. Taxmart Cafe. 6 minutes and 40 seconds in the second quarter. This is week 1. Lumina Care Champion Series between Lumina Care and Taxmart Cafe. Our referees for tonight is Stuart and Peter Ryan.
Because we are the Red Wolves. The number of lost passes by Memphis. Bringing you just as a William K. Champion Series 2026. 18, 1 goal. Blue Lions, 1.
Okay, back to the movie. Taylor. Pass to Kamigi, driving baseline, layup is good to Ryan Kamigi. In the lead is the Swan for Taxman. Sean to Jostan. Valerio to Canino, wide open tray. Bang! Canino stops the beam for Taxman Cafe. Ryan to Rainier. To Taylor. Taylor from deep, short. 21-17 in favor of Taxman Cafe. Chan to Kirin. Kirin to Valerio. To Chan. Valerio fakes. Moves closer, dumps it up to Kirin. Kirin, bothered by Mendoza, rebound Mendoza. Mendoza under the rest. Guarded the two Richards, Mendoza. Floater, no good, rebound, it's good. Last touch on the routine. Possession, Taxman. Shan with the ball. Shan, downhill. Number rebound, Taylor, sorry, it's Rainier McIntosh. Rainier bounces off to Taylor. Fearless drive, rail is good for Irving Taylor. The lead is 2 for Taxman. Canillo for 3, no good. Rebound is with Sean Cabusa. Sean puts back, no good, rebound Kirin. Kirin put back, still no good, rebound Mendoza. Mendoza to Rainier. Rainier driving baseline. Knocks it up. No good. Rebound. Valerio. Next up net. Valerio. Overshoots. But Cabusa was there for the cleanup job. 2 pointers good for Sean Cabusa. Taylor comes it up to Ryan, baseline jumper. Money for Ryan Kamigi. 2-point lead by Taxman Cafe. 2 minutes and 39. Time wide open from deep. Yes, sir. Booming triple for Justin. 5-point deficit for Luminakel. Mendoza, jumper. Cash money for Mendoza. Valerio to Sean. Sean from deep. In and out. Ryan secures the ball. Mendoza with the ball. Last 2 minutes in the second quarter. Ryan. Tomustire, corner tray, overshoots, rebound, Cabusa. Cabusa to the screen, to stand. Shot is short, rebound 10. To Canino, Canino from deep, yes sir! 3-pointers good for Joel Canino. The lead is now 6. A minute and 33 in the second quarter. Taylor, 1-1. Long two, in out. Pirin to the board. 10. Driving baseline. Offensive foul is the ball of the referee. Offensive foul number 0, Josh Tan. First personal foul, second team foul. Sublet. Ibas for McIntosh. Last 60 seconds. Ryan. Looking for a teammate. Pass. Too high, intended for Musquilen. Last 35 seconds. Last 24 seconds. Shot clock is off or dead. Kabusa from deep. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Sean Kabusa. Musquilen from the passer, no good. That's the end of the first half. Official score, it's 32 for Taxmark Cafe and 23 for Lumina Pier. Okay, back to the ball game. Going to the second half. Third quarter possession belongs to Lumina Pier. Ibas with the ball. Mendoza, mid-range jumper is good. 2-pointer is good for Mendoza. Bulaan with the ball. Valerio to Kabusa. Cross-court pass to 10. Valerio swings to Kabusa. Sean for 3. Yes, sir! Sean Kabusa with the head. Stepping out of bounds. So stepping on the line. Turnover for Lumina Pier. Stanley to the ball game now. Pass to Bulaan inside. Layup is good for Christian Bulaan. Ryan for 3, no good. Bulaan secures the board. Stanley for 3, no good. Rebound. Last touch on Taxmark. working against Stanley. Bounce it off to Mendoza inside, short on the layup. Rebound Mendoza. Once again, for two, no good. Rebound, Valerio. Valerio to Stanley. 2-1 game. Stan, no look pass. Stanley, there's a contact. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for two. Fouls on number 3, Ryan Panigi. Second personal foul, first team foul on Bukatin. Stanley Cabusan, shooting 2 free throws for Taxmark Cafe. Their lead is 12. First free throw is good for Stanley. Stanley missing the first half. He comes in late. Two out of two for Stanley Cabusan. Taylor from deep, yes sir. 3-pointer is good for Taylor. Lead is 11 for Taxmark. Sean drops it up to his brother. Stanley takes it out to 10. Corner 3. Short. Rebound Stanley. To Valerio. Fakes. Step back 3. No good. Rebound Mendoza. Mendoza loses the handle. Stanley tracks the loose ball to 10. Layup is good. First Joyce. Ryan working on it. Dallas. Defensive foul is the turnover for Luminates. Substitution rep. Foul on Ryan. That's 3 on Ryan. Second on Luminates. JM Santos subbing out for Sean Cabuso. Valerio for Justin. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. The lead is 13 for Taxmark. Stanley to Canillo, corner 3. No good. Rebound over the back foul on number 6. Bulacan, second personal foul, first team foul. Luminaires staring at the 13-point deficit. Ibas to Mendoza, back to Ibas. Ibas floater, no good. Rebound Bulacan. Canillo, forward pass to JM. Floats it up, no good. Rebound, Mendoza. Mendoza down the lane. Steals by Capusa. Ball recovered by Camigi. To Taylor. Raya from deep, short. Stanley with the board. Stanley forward pass to Valerio. Valerio lays it up. Taylor with the board. Taylor to Ryan. Ryan fakes. Taylor sa pagkakay Gray. In and out. Rebound Stanley. To Canillo. Canillo. Rebound Ryan. Carlo Mendoza from deep. Yes sir. 3-pointers good for Carlo Mendoza. Next on it. The lead is 10. Stanley to the cutting Bulacan. Floater is good for Bulacan. The lead is 12 for Taxmark. Mendoza. Elbow jumper too strong. Rebound touched by JM to Stanley. Stanley pass. Deflected stolen by Taylor. To McIntosh Salon. No good in the layup. McIntosh one more time. Still no good. Rebound Ibas. Put back by Ibas is good. Canillo, 1-on-1 against Ibas. Stanley, downhill, short of the layup, floater, rebound Mendoza. Mendoza to Taylor. Taylor, from deep, no good. Long rebound, Radia. Taylor's back in baseline. 3 seconds inside the P. Too long inside the painted area. Sub rep. Substitution rep. Bravia for Muskiren. Kirin for Valerio. Stanley to Mulao. Mulao long two. No good. Over the back foul on Kirin, number 44. First personal foul, second team foul. Still a 10-point lead for Taxmart. Mosquine from deep. No good. Rebound to Stanley. Stanley to the second Canino. Layup overshoot. Rebound Mendoza. Mendoza fakes. Jumper. Overshoot. Rebound Mulao. Kirin. Miscommunication between Canino and Kirin. Turnover for Taxmart. Oh, last touch on Lumina Care. Canillo from the corner plays good for Canillo. Mendoza to Ryan. Ryan with the sauce. Layup is good for Ryan Canillo. What's the call, rep? The 10 pushing foul on number 10, Taylor. First personal foul, third team foul. Bulaon, drops it out of the lane. Shot no good. There's a foul at the basket. Foul is on number 3. Ryan Tamiging, that's 4 on Tamiging. Warning for penalty for Ruben Field. Ryan Tamiging, 4 personal foul. Kirin shooting 2 free throws for Taxmart. First one is wide right. Last 30 seconds. Second one is good for Kirin. Last 14 seconds in the third quarter. Shot clock is off. Ryan! Stolen by Stanley for the layup. Layup is good for Kabusa. Last 1 second. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score. 49 for Taxmart and 35 for Lumina Bay. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Taxmart Cafe's possession in the fourth quarter. Taxmart is 40-20. Time to Kirin. Valerio to the batting time. Sorry, Stanley to 10. Corner play over rebound Macintosh. Macintosh to Ibas. Kamigi to Mendoza. Mendoza leading jumper, money for Mendoza. Pass to Sun inside. Last touch of the game. 14 on the shot clock. Valerio for the tray. Short. Rebound. Knocks down by Kareem. Shot. To Stanley. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Sean, corner tray. Yes, sir! Sean Kapusa beating the buzzer. The lead is now 15 for Taxmart. Ryan to Mendoza. Mid-range J. Cash money for Mendoza. Pass. Recovered by Kapusa. Pass this brother. Shot. No good. Rebound by Valerio. Pass. Too strong intended for Stanley. Taylor running the show for winning up here. Taylor against 10. Pass to Macintosh, corner tray. No good. Rebound, Kapusa. To Tan. Tan with number. Pass to Valerio. Valerio. Jumper is good. Got it, Valerio. Ryan with the ball. Taylor, fade away J, too strong. Shot with the ball. Tan to Stanley, swings to Valerio for three. No good rebound, Kareem. No look pass to Sean. Floater is good. Sean Kapusa. Mendoza, one-on-one against Stanley. Looking for a teammate. To Ibas. Ibas to Mendoza. Mendoza, jumper, money. Back-to-back jumper for Mendoza. Pass to Stanley. Two players collided on the floor. Turnover for Taxmart. Taylor, corner three, no good rebound, Kareem. Deflected by Ibas. Foul on number 44, Julius Kareem. Second personal foul, first team foul. Possession, Luminaker. Six minutes and 10 seconds. Luminaker down by 15. Ryan to Taylor. Taylor deflected. Blocked by Stanley from behind. Stanley to 10. Layup is good for Justin. The lead is now 17 for Taxmart. Ryan to Taylor. To Radia. Radia, higher to three is good. 3-pointer is good for Radia Hamilton. Lead is 14. For Taxmart. Sean Lancer. Sean Lancer result three. And the lead is 17 for Taxmart. Mendoza with the ball, one-on-one against Kapusa. Mendoza drives, no good, rebound, it's made. Jump ball possession, Luminaker. Fresh 14 for Luminaker. Regia from deep. Back-to-back play for Regia Macintosh. Stanley. Pasok Kirin. Layup overshoots. Rebound Taylor. Here comes Luminaker. Ryan Taylor. Floater. Number rebound Mendoza. Foul is on number 94, Stanley Cabusao. First personal foul, second team foul. So, sub-rep. Mosquito for Ibas. Mendoza shooting 2 free throws. Sub-rep. Was it a foul, shooting foul or not? Also, it's not a shooting foul. So, baseline inbound for Luminaker. Valerio and Kirin out. Canillo and Bulacan Catherine. Overshoot, 3-pointers overshoot for Regia Macintosh. Cabusao downhill. Layup, no good, rebound Taylor. Regia downhill, denied, rejected by Sean Cabusao. 17 on the shot clock for Luminaker. Mendoza, elbow J, money! Bulacan, jumper, no good, rebound, Mendoza. Mendoza to Ryan. Ryan stays, loses the handle. Ball, it's with Canillo, left to right of his ground. Mendoza from deep, no good, rebound, Cabusao. 2 minutes and 35 in the last quarter. Bulacan against Mendoza. Floater, no good, rebound, Mendoza. The lead is 14, 2 minutes and 19. Ryan, long throw, no good. Stanley with the ball. Time, no look pass to Stanley. Fade away Jay, no good. Kamigin secures the ball. Last 2 minutes. Regia to Mosquito, corner clear short. Rebound, shot, that's to the wrong line. Regia to Taylor. Reverse layup is good for Taylor. Canillo attacks the basket for 2. Taylor 1-on-1 against 10. Taylor spins to Mosquito. Corner tray. In and out. Rebound Stanley. Pass deflected and stolen by Macintosh. Counter steal by Stanley. Stanley. Shot is no good. Mendoza with the board. Mendoza stuck and pops from deep. No good. Shot in the ball to Stanley. Back smart with a 14-point lead. Shot just done for 3 over rebound Canillo. Canillo corner tray, rebound, Bulacan. Put back, no good, rebound Mendoza. Stolen by Stanley. Stanley, fearless drive for 2. Ryan from deep, no good. Mosquito corner tray, still no good. Rebound Taylor. Taylor for 3, no good. Rebound 10. Last 11 seconds. 8 seconds. Canillo for 3. 10. That's the end of the first game. Official score 17 for Taximart Cafe and 51 for Luminaker. Good game, guys. Second game for tonight is Chris Mortgages versus Inter Oracle.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we are the Moves. The Moves for Lost Basketball League is back. Bringing you
Foxman, can you then you please have your team totals?
Building more than just houses. Create your forever home and bring your dream projects to life. Melbourne's go-to for the ultimate Filipino comfort and experience. Rap Studios. Say goodbye to crazy. Rap Studios is guiding to create style and carry through. Tax Forecast. The way to say tax is legal. Route 22 traveling tours. Your story. Let us take you there. In car care. Your rides are proud. Entrust your car without precision for guaranteed satisfaction. Get ready for another thrilling season of Northern Love basketball action. This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we are the North. The Northern Phillips Basketball League is back. Bringing you to support the Lunar King Champion Series 2026. Teams, one day, who runs done, and claim the crown of Southern Championship Series. The battle begins now. Let's take a big step to the season's main start. Lunar Care is tasked with a major sponsor of this season's NBA tournament. Lunar Care, deliver compassionate support and personalized care individuals to live brighter, easier, and more meaningful lives. Helping races of Victoria and your property. Your London homes, building more than just houses. Create your forever home and bring your dream projects to life. Melbourne's go-to for the ultimate Filipino comfort and experience. Rap Studios. Say goodbye for Tozy. Rap Studios is guiding to create style with care care. Tax Forecast. Say tax is legal. Route 22 traveling tours. Your story. Let us take you there. In car care. Your rides are proud. Entrust your car without precision for guaranteed satisfaction. Get ready for another season of Northern Love basketball action. This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we are the North. The Northern Phillips Basketball League is back. Bringing you to support the Lunar King Champion Series 2026. Teams, one day, who runs done, and claim the crown of Southern Championship Series. The battle begins now. Let's take a big step to the season's main start. Lunar Care is tasked with a major sponsor of this season's NBA tournament. Lunar Care, deliver compassionate support and personalized care.
Our second game for tonight, Chris Mortgages versus Inter Oracle.
Building more than just houses. Create your forever home and bring your dream projects to life. Melbourne's go-to for the ultimate Filipino comfort and experience. Rap Studios. Say goodbye to crazy. Rap Studios is guiding to create style with care care. Tax Forecast. Say tax is legal. Route 22 traveling tours. Your story. Let us take you
For having been like 6 players, they had like 8 or something.
To our spectators and players enjoying our raffle, we want to win meal voucher and a t-shirt. Meal voucher from Salog and t-shirt from McBill. You can put your name on the raffle form. Need a bleacher for a chance to win meal voucher and a t-shirt. So players also enjoying, so not just the spectators but also the players enjoying our raffle. Thank you.
Sometimes they call it fast, sometimes they don't. I don't know. They call it like that. They call it like the exact same thing. I was like, they didn't call it. I don't know, it's weird. Maybe. Or they just didn't see it. Sometimes it's hard to see. There's a lot to pay attention to. I don't know. There's a reason why I'm not a ref.
Entrust your car without precision for guaranteed satisfaction.
I mean, you like, all you have to do as a ref is like, you have to where they're at, what they're gonna do, and what their intentions are. Like, okay, let's say they're inside the box. If they're staying there for too long, 30 seconds. But at the same time, you're gonna hurt.
You have to pay attention to like some of the stuff.
Not really, just you look at the ball. Really about the ball. But at the same time,
Yeah, but then like this is like sometimes, you know, like the big men they'll be like fighting basically. If you don't focus on that, then like a couple times you have to like literally like foul them or whatever to take them for it. You know? And then there's also things like illegal screens and stuff like that and blah blah blah.
I mean, it's mostly centered in the ball anyway.
Yeah, 90% of what's important, yeah.
Imagine there was 4 refs. I'll be like, they're gonna be in the group after calling one of them.
They have like a group discussion, all the refs come into the middle and they're like, guys, who was it? But in other sports they have like line matches and stuff like that. I don't know. But like there's stuff like that, like, it's so fun. Because like the amount of times, like you know how much I can see sometimes. And sometimes the calls are, I can't say anything. But it's like, oh, okay.
Bringing you anticipated Luminate champions of the
Think about them as the ally. Sometimes they can make, sometimes like they make the phone out of miles, but it just makes everything.
No, I feel like when players start complaining too much that the goals aren't in their way, they'll try and like give a couple more goals their way sometimes. I see it. So the players don't like start like threatening the ref. Remember? Do you remember the other week?
First prize for both teams at the center court team.
He pretended to throw the ball at the guy because the ref kept holding him. That was so funny.
What can be
This is the second game of our victory between Swiss Mortgages and Incar Autocare. Swiss Mortgages with a 1-1 record, while Incar looking for their first win of the season. They're still winless at 0-2. Gradually for tonight, it's Stuart and Ray Ryan. First five for Swiss Mortgages at the center court. And first five for Incar Autocare.